Okay, so in this problem we are given the coordinates of 3 points, and what is asked of us is to compute the area of the triangle determined by these 3 points. Let's plot the points first. A, the two coordinates are negative 5, 2. So the first number is the horizontal coordinate. So from the origin horizontally, negative 5 means go 5 to the left. Here is the number that tells us. And then from here the y coordinate is plus 2. So then up 2. And this is A. And you can see the perpendicular projections are negative 5 and 2. The next point is negative 1, 2. As always, we start at the origin. The first coordinate is the horizontal coordinate, so negative 1. And then the second coordinate is the vertical coordinate. That's 2 up. And so the last point is C, negative 1, negative 3. So we start at the origin. Negative 1 is the horizontal, so that's 1 to the left. And negative 3, the vertical, that means 3 down. So because one side turned out to be vertical, and how can we tell? B and C should have the same x coordinate, right? B and C is at the same horizontal location. And another side is horizontal, which means they have the same y coordinate. There it is, A and B are both plus 2. So because we have a horizontal and a vertical line, first of all, we know that we have a right triangle. And second, we can determine the length of the sides easily. That's not always the case. For example, AC, we don't know that just looking at it. Luckily, the length of side AC is not necessary for the area of a right triangle. Now let's figure out how long each sides are. So we're counting basically the line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful to count the line segments and not the points, because 4 line segments are determined by 5 points. So 5 points, 4 line segments, you have to be aware what you're counting. This side is 4 units long. And by the way, now the coordinates were small enough to plot it. If the numbers are so that a picture will not be this helpful, points A and B are at the same vertical location, so the distance is basically the difference between the x coordinates. So if you subtract the x coordinates, you will get the length. Negative 1 minus negative 5 is the same as negative 1 plus 5, that's 4. So you can just subtract the x coordinates. If you accidentally subtract them the wrong way around, then in this case you would get negative 4. Then just ignore the minus sign you got. The negative sign is telling you you subtracted the wrong way. Same fashion, we can count the line segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side is 5 units long. So if we take point B and C, and now they differ by the y coordinate. So the difference between 2 and negative 3, 2 minus negative 3 equals 5. So it's good to have both algebra and geometry at our disposal, just in case we need it. So now we know that the area of this right triangle is, remember, every right triangle is half of a rectangle, so it's going to be 4 times 5 by 2, 4 units times 5 units divided by 2, which is 10 squared units. And that's the answer. Thank you for watching.